Daddy's car. Nandito yung isang car ni Wayne. Dito kami kay Bayaw. Bisitahin muna natin kay alam nyo naman yung nangyari sa kanilang family. Kawawa naman. Oh, Craig have tulip? Hello. I don't think he's here.
Why is it not alarming?
Say hi, Uncle Craig.
Why is it not alarming?
No. She's smiling. Say hello. Naglinis na si Bayaw dito. Sobrang bango. Ay, ayun ata. Meron siyang pangpabango. Yun o, yung naka-plug dito. Ah, may hari-hari si Bayaw dito o. Yan yung kasama niya. Ayan, maganda.
Mommy, why does he only have one chicken?
What? The only one chicken, yes, because the other one, I don't know. Si Bayaw, mayroong CCTV. Is that a chicken? Where's the chicken?
Mommy.
There.
I thought you... Mommy,
Yeah?
I thought that was the butt, shaking the butt.
Is it?
But it's not, it's the head.
Oh, there's one more here. Is that him? Same. Yeah?
Huh?
Yeah, it's the same.
It's the same chicken, the two chickens.
It's the same, only one.
It's two chickens on the same camera.
5 o'clock. Ay, kumakanta. Pag tuminig itong alas 12 ganito ba, nakakatakot. Look, Nak. Look, Uncle Craig's flower.
That's a tulip?
Yes.
Tulip!
It's purple.
Is it purple tulip? Purple tulip!
Galit na si Wayne. Galit na, Nak. It's so cold, anak. The weather just dropped, no?
I know. Come on. Let's get in and get out and let's get home.
Uy, may mangga sila nakagaya sa atin, oh. Tag 8 pound. Mahala man po doy. 300 isang kilogram. Agoy. Pero masarap to ay. Na mangga. Nako, look at this mango, anak. I think you would like this one. JJ, look at this mango. It's like in Philippines. Shall we get one?
Okay.
This one on. Uy, ang sarap nito. Where are you, Jenny?
Here.
Oh, you're there. Nagluluksa pa din si Wayne. At yun, si Jessica naiwan doon. Nung, kailan ba yun itong vlog namin? Nag-Morrison kami. Friday yun, yes?
It will be sunny later.
Yeah, it's getting dark now. Ano yun, Friday. So, hala, uy, ano ba itong daanan? Uy, nakakahirap. Tapos may nakapark doon, may nakapark dito. Dito na lang kami dadaan. So, nung Friday, hindi talaga kami nakaano dahil Thursday, nagbook siya. Para daw hindi na ako maghatid kay Jessica. Kaya naawa nga siya sa akin kaya sobrang bigat ng aking tiyan. Tapos Thursday, namatay yun. Tapos pagka Friday, oh, sinabi ko sa kanya na ako na lang maghatid ni JJ. Sabi niya, are you sure? Pero pagka morning, nag-iba yung kanyang kuan. Sabi niya, siya na lang daw maghatid kay JJ. So, siya yung naghatid kay JJ ng Friday. Tapos yun, Morrison's kami. Wala talaga sa ano, oy. Wala talaga sa mood. Alam nyo naman, nagluluksa. At saka, ang lights ko daw, nakalimutan ko. What? Yeah. Only you and me. Today? Sabi niya sa akin, hindi niya daw makalimutan ba yung itsura dahil nga nagtingin sa kanya parang buhay pa daw. So, sabi niya sa ilang years niya ay dalawang beses pa lang niya na experience na ganun nga, dalawa ang kita niya na dead body daw. Sabi ko, it does make you think to enjoy your life pag ganyan, kay madami ng problema ba. Si JJ hindi sumama, sinamahan niya yung kanyang papa doon sa bahay at meron din siyang yung ano ganit yung sa lips. Oy, pag makuha natin yan pag sobrang init sa Pilipinas, yung abscess yung tawag nila dito eh. Ano nga yan sa atin? Uy, kabisi ng daanan. Roundabout, ito yung pinaka-hate ko, yung roundabout. Kasi konting mali dito, splack, tamaan ka talaga. So need tayo mag-careful at pasensya talaga mag-antay dito. Sa Pilipinas, yung roundabout natin, papasok lahat, no? Yung roundabout dyan. Dito, hindi pwede ganyan. Ha?
Behind us.
Yeah. Ha? Nas this not? Sa ano din, minessage ko talaga yung instructor ko doon sa nangyari sa akin last time na, diba, binip ako ng instructor. Sino yun siya na instructor? Sabi ni Mark, they should be more considerate dahil kakapasa mo lang. At hindi naman talaga ako nag-stop sa traffic light. Nag-hit lang ako ng brake. Pero yung iba bitaw kay sinisisi nila ako sa ano, no? Sa lahat ng nakiramay. May mga nag-message about teka lang, drive muna ako ha. Marami na message sa akin, condolence Inday, ano kayang bayad dyan sa diesel, no? Teka, tignan ko muna to dito.
Mommy?
Yeah?
Yes. And that's a guy again.
Ha?
Yes, and then that's a guy again, the one hot dog. Yes, there.
I forgot anak.
Two.
Oh, it's blip.
What?
I need to put fuel.
Why?
Wait there. I think it need to be here.
Yep.
No, I need to move forward because what if somebody wanna use the back? So, is that okay?
Yep.
Dito na lang ako mag-fuel. Teka. Try ko hang aking tiyan natin. Okay lang. Hala, sobrang close ko. Nabuang hindi ko. Ani, uy. I'm too close, anak. Isa lang yung body ko today.
Mommy, you put the fuel in here.
Yes, I put the fuel there.
Oh.
There's lots of fuel now. Yeah?
It's very nice.
Is it? Are you getting your scooter?
Yeah.
Is that- Are you wanna bring yours?
Yeah. And then I use it in the car.
Yeah.
Here's a gun.
Hindi baya madali mawala ng pamilya, oy. Naawa talaga ako kay Wayne. Wala talaga siya sa kanyang, sabi niya sa akin kanina, Mami, hindi ko talaga makalimutan. Sabi ko, is normal honey dahil pag ganyan magluluksa kasi tayo. Pero kahapon, there ha, this car, kahapon dumalaw kami kay Bayaw. Hala, I didn't put my pee, anak. Shall we put Mommy's pee?
Yeah.
Are you helping Mommy put that one? The pee?
Yep.
Get it for Mommy then, please.
I did another one.
No, the other one's okay. Okay.
I
Put one in the side. Here.
You.
Thank you. Here you go.
Wait.
That's alright.
Okay, now.
Thank you. So come here because maybe there's cars. Bahala na yung aking parking. Okay na yan. Let's go. What's it again? It's petrol, right?
What?
Diesel.
Oh no, honey. It's nice there, over there, honey. It's more easy.
Diesel.
Yeah.
You put diesel in there.
Yes. You just put the card and then you take whatever you want.
Oh, right.
I know. I mean, you can bleep it as well.
Hello, mommy.
Hi. And it's easy. You don't have to go paying, you know?
Yeah, it's diesel, yeah.
Yeah.
You know how to do it now, then?
Yeah. Alright. We'll see you later. Hi, JJ.
Okay, would you like someone? Is that?
It's in auto.
Oh, okay, good job.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
And put it in and put the coin in.
Put the coin? Do you know? There you go. So we have to, when we put it back, we can get our money here inside.
Yeah.
Kaya pala ganun. We have a trolley now, Jenny. Busy man dito na. Come here in this line. We're not buying anything from there, right? It's Mother's Day kasi nila dito. Mother's Day. Sorry? You have to go pee-pee. Agoy.
But I can wait.
There is a toilet over there. Yeah. Wait there. I just gonna call Daddy if Craig managed to buy USB-C. Honey, did Craig manage to get charger? There's charger here in Asda. Oh. It's £8. Yeah, okay. Press it the thing. Ay, sus. There, the elevator. Press it, anak, please. Gusto niya daw mag-toilet in tawon. Dinalaw namin si Bayaw kahapon. Tapos, meron kasi akong lumang phone na hindi ko na ginagamit pag-edit. Yung itim na phone ba. So, binigay ko sa kanya kay sira ng phone ni Bayaw. Kawawa naman. So, sobrang happy niya kahapon. Move. One. Mommy will press it. There. One, anak. Yes, that's one. Ay, sus.
I'm not holding it because I don't fall.
No, you don't. But you have to be careful there because that door will be opening soon.
Mommy, that's
There. Male, female. Here. It's nice over here, no? See, you can sit by there as well. Do you want mommy go with you?
yes.
Oh, it's clean. There you go. Go inside then.
No, it's not right. But
Yeah. Come on then. Here. You don't need to take your jacket off.
I just want to.
Yeah.
I just want to use it.
Dahil na yun. Sobrang taba. Nahihirapan ako paano i-comfort si Wayne. Hindi kasi ako magaling mag-comfort sa kanya ba. Kikinig lang ako sa kanya, mami. Ganun-ganun siya sa akin. Bago ako umalis, nilutuan ko na siya. Kaya kain ko siya ng rice at saka beef. Jenny?
I forgot the jar.
Nak, can you open the door please? Do you know how to open it?
Yeah.
Open it then. Nakinabahan man ako nito.
And I don't.
Oh, there you go. That's open. I was scared. You wash your hands first. There you go. Lapad ng asda. There. Press number 1. We'll have a look in for JJ's. Ano kayang tambal nung luas man yan sa Bisaya, oy? Ano kayang gamot ng luas? This a gummy. It's just for taking a bath. There's no medicines here. Kids. You know where's the muffins?
Yeah.
No, the braces. Ito yung braces na gusto nila. Oh. Ayan ata yun, yung may sourdough. Ayan. Bayad na kami ni Inday. Kaya kuhan. Nakuha na namin lahat ng aming gustong kunin. Ito lang naman si Inday. Eh, mayroon pala dito nak. Oh. Need that one soon.
Yeah.
See the gate? That gate? Magkano yung gate dyan? Uy, tag 24 pound. Meron pala sila dito, mga gamit for babies. Yes. You have that when you're a baby. Yes, you have it.
Mommy, feel this.
They don't have your snack. Veggie straws? No? Yan, kadami yung kanilang mga pagkain o ng mga bata. Yeah? Yes, we have it in the house. Ganito oh. May salmon na siya, tag 72p. Pagkakain na yung anak natin, pwede lang magbili dito. Kaso hindi kasi sure kung masarap siya. That's for baby. We have to buy that next time soon.
Mommy, what's this?
There's a cup.
Oh, they did it.
For the did it. Okay, we're paying now.
By time.
Pay na kami ni Inday. Ayan lang naman yung aming napamili. Mga ano sa siguro to, 50 pound. Nakakuha din kami ni Inday ng naka-sale. Saan kaya yung truly nila, anak? Basket, that's basket there, anak. This way. I mean, nakabagsak presyo, oh. KitKat. Ay, orange man siya, oy. Hindi man gusto ni Wayne yung orange. How about this one? What is it? Huh? We don't like that to you. Ito lang yung problema dito kay maganyan ba? Linya. Nako, daghan og sale anak oh. Uy, marami na naman silang sale oh. Nakabagsak presyo.
Thank you for shopping at Asda.
Ito mi, nagabin-anak kami ni Inday. Wala kaming kuan. Ito. Wala kaming bag. Ito na lang namin ilang nandun sa bahay lahat kasi nag-grocery. Diba kami last time kasama sila doon sa Morrison. Naihi na si Mami lang. Kaihion si Mami. Nakamura ako dito sa kanilang kampo. Nakabili kami ng glasses. Ayan oh. Kaya naubos na yung sa aming bahay. You want the 1 pound back? Gusto niya nang kunin yung 1 pound niya na dito sa aming trolley. Ngayon, ano na naman ako nito. Sa bahay, maglagay naman ako nito. What is it? Lots of insects. Okay. Let's return that one.
Yay, now you take the toy out.
Yeah, you can take the coin out.
Yay!
Okay, let's go. Maganda pa ganito mag-shopping kay sobrang ano na. You can't take it there. You have to return it there or in the trolley thing. See that one there? Come here. Hoy, dito. Asa man ka magpunta? Ang layo na nung isa. Doon pa o sa... Ang lapad ang Asda kasi. At malapad siya sa Morrisons. At maganda din kayong mga deals nila ba? What? Jenny, be careful, there's car. Yes, in there. We have to put it hawa. Like that. See, like that. And return it nicely. And poke that. This one. Here. No, that one. Put that one. Where's your coin? Is your coin coming out? No? No, you have to return it properly. Baliktad ata anak. There you go. Take it. See? And they stay together. Magaling yung idea nila, no? Okay, let's go. Sa Morrison kasi walang ganyan-ganyan. So, ang mga tao, iniiwan lang kung saan-saan. Doon, dito, daan. Ang layo naming parking ni Inday. Hey, hiningas, Mami nak. Put the coin in your pocket then, so that you don't lose it. Every time we come here. Yeah. Every time we come here, I'll ask you that coin, okay? Huh? You have to keep it for Mommy. Are you gonna lose that?
No.
Okay. Come on then. Oh, do you know where's the light?
Yeah.
Go, buba. No, it's not working. Come on, sit down then.
It's not working anymore.
It's dark now lang.
Then it's this one. Maybe.
Umuulan o yung ulan.
Ouch!
Yung taligsik. Wala ta nagpayong na. Kayo pido. Thank you. Naghalik naman si Inday.
I just
Daddy
put my tongue on
tasted it
Look,
because
I
you
put
said
some on my tongue, look.
what it tastes like.
Mm.
Put it there. Rub it
Why
there.
is it there? Like, on
In the
on
gums.
But I'm scared.
It won't hurt then after. Rub it in the gums where that
Rub it on the
hurts.
gums. Say I liked it like I just did. I just showed you.
But it's scared.
Be ako be. Wait there.
Mummy's gonna do it, yeah?
Can you just put it on the tissue?
It's not tissue. Oh, you don't need tissue. Hold this for me, Daddy.
Make me
Rub it on the gums.
scared.
You scared of?
Nails is quite long.
It's just gel.
Be, open mouth.
JJ.
Where
just
is
rub
it that hurts? It's not gonna hurt.
It's not gonna hurt, JJ. Stop being silly.
Where is it? You want it to be okay or
It's just
no?
like a little bit of toothpaste, that's all.
It's like toothpaste. Be diri. Diri na. Anak ba?
I don't like it.
Do you want it to be okay or you keep crying because it's hurting? Be diri. Anak, open mouth.
JJ, it don't even taste
Quickly.
bad. It's just a little bit of gel.
Quickly, quickly. It's like a gel. Wait, stop your hands. Oh, it's really swollen. You want the bacteria to spread?
Yeah, get that on there.
Be.
It's not even bad. It's so easy. Just like a little bit of
Wait then.
toothpaste. Rub it on your gums.
Tastes like
JJ, just rub it on your
It's like
gums.
a banana.
I think it tastes like a little bit lemon.
banana.
There, where is it that hurts? Is that the one?
Is that it on there?
Banana.
Yeah.
Banana.
Does she just rub it? Did you read it?
Yeah, just rub it on your gums. Yeah.
Oh, it's hot.
Want some more?
Hot?
Because it's working then if it's
It's
hot.
working. It's gonna
Ah, it's
work in
working.
your gums.
Can I have some water on my
No,
gums?
not yet. Leave it.
Let me see. What is this?
I smell.
Yeah.
I
Can I take
smell.
one?
What? You want to taste?
Yeah.
No, you're the one who you wanted to taste now.
And see what it tastes like.
Okay.
And I just want
Taste it
smell.
then.
Just want smell.
Oh, smell.
What smell like that?
Smell like a banana.
Banana. Banana.
Naluto ako dito ng sinabawan. Ito yung papakain ko sa kanila. Bukas na lang ito. Kaya kumain na yan sila kasama yung kanyang daddy. Nagkain sila ng beef. Kulang pa sa asin. Dalawa na yung shoppinganan ko ngayon, Asda at Morrisons. Dahil meron member na ako doon sa Asda. At nagbibigay sila ng pounds. Pag mag-shopping ka doon, bibigyan ka nila ng pounds. Kain muna si Inday ninyo. Nandun sila nanonood siya ng TV. So, meron akong isda dito, bangus. Ayan pero iwan ko What is it?
I'm trying to open this with my fingers.
You're lucky, Kat.
Yeah. Hello. Tingnan nyo yung aking mukha. Natulog na silang lahat. Nakatulog din ako mga 9 o'clock. So 10 o'clock na dito. Pinatulog ko yung mga bata. Pagtingin ko sa kwarto, tulog na si Wayne. Hindi pa natulog si Wayne. Ngayon, tulog na siya. Kasi iniwan ko na hindi na kami nanood kami ng movie. Tapos minasage ko yung kanyang kamay. movie lang yung makaparelax-relax sa kanya. Palagi niya pa rin naiisip si bunso nila na sumunod kay mami pagkamatay. Kawawa naman si Wayne. Tapos si Jessica, pagtingin ko sa bed, tulog na siya. Si Jenny, naglaro pa ng iPad. So, pinagalitan ko, sabi ko, Jenny, matulog na. Ngayon, gutom ako. Mahanap ako ng makain dito. Masarap makain. No? May mangga ako dun. Okay lang kaya kumain ng mangga gabi na. Si Wayne. Kawawa si Wayne. Uy. Naglulukusa sila ni Bayaw. Wala pang balita din kung ano yung gagawin kay. Iba kasi dito. Inano nila. Pinapasok nila sa freezer bago mag ano nga. Mag vigil. Ay walang vigil nga dito. Hindi nila dinadala sa bahay-bahay yung mga pag nawala ka dito, pag namatay ka, either ilibing ka or magpa-cremate. Yan yung choices dito. So, wala pang available na ano, hindi pa na ano yung katawan, nilalagay nila sa freezer bago ilibing. So, nag-aantay lang sila Wayne. Kaya, sabi nga ng aking kapatid na babae, sabi niya, pupunta kayo doon, TR. Sabi ko, hindi man nila yan dinadala sa bahay. Tapos, kinukuha lang nila sa bahay, nilalagay sa freezer. Pag ready na, doon na mag-services ng ilang minuto sa church. Tapos, ililibing na diretso. Ganun yung ano nila dito, pamamaraan. Awa ako kay Wayne, kay hindi pa ba yan sila naka-fully move on kay mami, no? Kay ilang years pa lang si mami nawala. Tapos ngayon, yung kapatid na naman nila yung nawala. Kaya gusto ko nga siya mag-relax lang. Pero kanina, naglinis siya ng bahay. Nagtiklop siya. Ay, nakalimutan ko magpasalamat sa kanya. Siya yung nagtiklop, nag-hoover, naglinis siya. Pero yung dito, hindi pa masyadong malinis. Bukas na yan. Pag ano kasi, pag Saturday dito, hindi ako nagagalaw-galaw kasi Sabad is day kami ba. Tapos si Jessica, bitaw, hindi siyang bihis ng kanyang damit. Ay, makuha ko mo. Natakot ba ako pag walang suga dito. Natakot ako magtingin dyan sa glass. Natatakot ako dyan. Yan. Takot ako pag naka-open yan dyan. Si Wayne, hindi man ito na-close. Takot din ako sa mga ganito. Baka kasi mayroong mukha na magpingin dyan ba. Ano ako ay ma-overthink ako sa mga ganito. Nakaw tayo. Mangga at apple na lang kainin ko. Mas masarap pa ito na mangga. Yung mangga na binili ko sa box. Naku, hindi masarap. Buti pa ito. Mas ano pa ito. Ayan. Mas mura pa yan. Tapos mas matamis. Ayan ang apple. Ayaw ko pag nakatulog ako ng maaga. 3 o'clock na ako makabalik ng pagtulog or 4 o'clock. Hindi siya healthy bata. Tapos grabe na ba ang aking baby ba? Maano na talaga siya. Baba niya na. Yan. Dati, wala pa tong gap dito. Ayan, ang baba niya na. So, antayin na natin si baby. I hope healthy lang ang aking baby. No? Madaming stress yung pinagdaanan ng kanyang mama. Kanina pa ako kain ng mangga. Uy. Tapos yung dila ko, ganun pa din siya. Hindi talaga siya umalis yung pagluod-luod ko. Hindi siya umalis. Nagstay lang yung aking pagluod-luod. Ang tamis niya. Apple all the day and the way. Magdala ako ng tubig sa room. Doon na ako matulog sa room ni baby. Tapos si Jessica ay si Jenny. Susunod man yan sa akin mga 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, or 3. Nagigising yan. Maghahanap sa akin. Sometimes umiiyak. Ay, ang aking cellphone.